Another type of iterable that you'll want to be aware of is the map, which is like a hash map or dictionary in other languages. It's a key-value pair where every key on the left is unique and points to some value on the right side. We can define a map with the map data type, and it also takes a generic, but with two different types in it. On the left side, we have the type for the key, and on the right side, we have the type for the value. Each entry in the map starts with a key, followed by a colon, then the value. Now, to access a value in the map, all you have to do is add brackets followed by the name of the key that you want to access. You can also use brackets followed by an equal sign to assign a value to a specific key. Now, in many cases, you may want to access all of the keys or all of the values as a list or iterable. You can do that with the keys or values property, which returns an iterable by default, or you can convert it to a list using the toList method. It's also possible to loop over a map directly if you want to access both the keys and the values. One option is to use a for loop and loop over the entries field on it. Each item in the loop will be a map entry object that contains the key and the value of that entry in the map. It's also possible to loop over the map with the for each method, in which case the callback function will have access to the key and the value. Maps are useful in Dart, but more often than not, when creating a new complex object, you'll create your own custom class, and that's what we'll look at in the next section.